All right, King of the Monsters, the Godzilla Doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So, Godzilla, pop culture icon. Everyone loves Godzilla. May have a favorite era of Godzilla. With this one, I just drew a really quick doodle. I thought I'd make him kind of cute. And at first, he was kind of looking very Simpsons-like as I was doing it. But I'm going to fix that towards the end. But for this one, kept it pretty simple. Again, simple outline. I used a dark green ink. I used a lighter shade of green to fill it in. I tried not to spend too much time on it. Again, it's a doodle, so I'm always kind of like let's bang this one out and see how it looks. And so this one made the grade, so you get to see this one, so I get to share it with you. Pretty straightforward. I don't know. It's Godzilla, so he's kind of in this one. He's kind of goofy. Kind of looks like maybe he has a day job, a blue collar day job, and he's just getting ready to go to work. I don't know. I'm just making things up on top of my head, but flat colors, threw on some halftones with the scales, kind of highlight those a little bit. You'll see where I started messing with the lower jaw because it was just too Simpsons looking for me, and I kind of wanted to make it mine. So there you go. I drew the chin in. Took a few tries to get it right, but I got it. There you go. Comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for checking this out. I'll see you around.